Okay, it's the next song.
How can I be like my brother Nephi and my father Lehi of old? How can I be like Captain Moroni in the wars that were told? How can I see forever like the promise to the three Nephites? I wanna be Samuel the Lemonite. I wanna be Benjamin the wise. I wanna be like a Benedict. Oh, tell me how can I be like them? How can I be like our mother younger, a strong servant of the Lord? How can I be?
How can I be
Like mighty Ammon, whose heart was a sword? How can I be a stripy warrior and learn to fight by faith? I wanna be Samuel the Lemonite. I wanna be Benjamin the wise. I wanna be like a Benedict. Oh, tell me how can I be like them? How can I be like my brother Joseph when he prayed in the grove of trees? How can I have the strength that he had and the love he had for God? How can I be courageous and strive to choose the right? I wanna be Samuel the Lemonite. I wanna be Benjamin the wise. I wanna be like a Benedict. I wanna be like Jesus Christ. Oh, tell me how can I be like him? Oh, tell me how can I be like him?